What is up, you guys? So it is almost 1 p.m. actually, and I am getting ready to head out, but I thought it has been a while since I brought y'all along with me, and I think I want to do that today. I feel like I got a lot to do today, but not a lot to do today, if you know what I mean. Maybe you don't know what I mean, but I have an hour before it is time for me to get ready to go, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get some candles made before that, and I'm frying some chicken. So let's see if I can get these candles done plus this food done and be out on time. I hate running late, but I seem like lately I feel like that's all I do is run late. So let's go over here. And I already got the chicken prepped and ready to go, so I guess I'll start there.
We never said exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my...
Okay, so I already put the chicken in. That's going. I am going to get some more rice cuts.
Baby, can't you turn up blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. I'm tired of explaining how I choose to live my life, 'cause I told you in the you could try to treat me right, but you gotta get out your head. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything.
Look how pretty this chicken is. Like, I used to could not fry chicken, believe it or not, but look. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, your girl coming up in the world. Okay, so let me see where I am with this. Yeah, I'm like rushing like a freaking crazy person. We're gonna talk about time management in a second, but it's amazing what you can get done when you actually put your mind to it. Like, ooh, it's 1:57. So I think it's safe to say that I'll be just a little bit late. Alright, so one thing that I have to remember to always do is try to get the content, and I always forget because I be moving too fast. It's wax. Okay, I think it's okay. So I already got my jars prepped and ready. This wax, I'm gonna do 4 and 2 because I've been having, these are ones I only got a little bit of fragrance oil on. And I feel like these two would be the fastest to do since it's only 4 and 2 of them, so 6 total. Let me see. Okay, we're good. So and I'm using these little cups because I ran out of my other ones, so don't judge me, judge mama. So making candles is about patience and time, which is, I think, is like the perfect lesson for me anyway. Like, you have to be really patient with this, and you have to be patient because all candle making, everything is done at a certain time, certain temperatures. So it like relates to life. Like, you just got to be patient with certain things and understand that certain things are going to take time. There's nothing you can do to rush the process other than drive yourself freaking crazy being impatient. But that's something that I have learned, is that patience is probably one of the best things to have. Get this one mixed in, and then I pour the other one so it can be cooling off. It smells so good. And this is my clarity scent. It just smells so stinking good. I don't even really know how to describe the smell for real. Like, it's almost to me like giving off like a fruity kind of scent. Like, I don't know, but it's so clean, so fresh kind of smelling, but it's not like a linen fresh. It's more like a fruit fresh, if that makes sense.
Jealousy, like you're always testing me. Tell me what that is.
Okay, I hope y'all can see me for real. Hold on. Okay, so I'm finally on my way to where I gotta go, and of course, I'm late. I'm freaking late. It's 2:58. I was supposed to be gone at 2 o'clock, but it's okay. I had company in my house. I didn't want to be rude and be like, get out. But anywho, it's fine. I'm just going to my cousin's house, but you'd be really surprised to see what you can accomplish when you just focus on stuff. So I normally, like before, I used to be like, okay, if I only had an hour left before I had to do something, I feel like that wasn't enough time to do anything. So I really wouldn't do anything. I would just wait until I had more time. Now I am trying to focus on little things. So if I got an hour, I'm gonna try to do some things that are quick, like knock some things off my to-do list instead of just saying, okay, I'm gonna need more time. I'm trying to take advantage of the time that I actually do have. I don't have like a whole lot of extra spare time between my job and the kids and the businesses and everything that I'm trying to do. So I had to learn how to manage my time, like big time. So that's just a little tip. Like, figure out what you can do within a little bit of time, and then just do those things. That way, your to-do list, instead of it remaining the same or things growing on there, you can be knocking little stuff out little by little. So yeah, so I'm headed over here. We are about to have a little business meeting. Let me tell y'all something. It's so important to have people around you that support you and that you can be supportive too. So like me and two of my cousins, we all have businesses that we do. So what we do is we do these meetings with each other, and we do like check-in points and just to see where everybody is and just hold each other accountable. So we talk about what it is we want to do, and by the next time we meet is to display the results of what we actually did. That way it keeps us focused on the actual goal at hand. It keeps us focused on what we need to do for ourselves, and also so because you don't really want nobody saying, well, you said but you didn't do it. So it's a little bit of an extra boost to get you going and get your goals accomplished. So I highly recommend you get some friends or some people in your circle that can push you and motivate you to be better. My goal it don't really have no deadline for real. Like, I want to it's crazy to say like as an adult, but I want to get a friend group. Like, I don't really have friends outside of my family, which is okay because my family are my friends. But I want to get around people who have businesses and money and things like that, because the conversations are different when you have people who are focused on growing and just having a better life and things like that. So a lot of people talk about what they want to do. It's not a whole lot of people that put forth like the real effort into what they're doing. So I want to have a circle of people who are are doing better than me, so that I can learn from them and, you know, grow and be able to share my experiences and be the next person somebody looking up to. But that's what I want to have, a circle of friends, little cute boss babes, and just making stuff happen. And that's really what I want. But right now I'm gonna get to this meeting, so I'll see y'all when I get there. All right, let's go. Oh shucks. All right, let's go in and have a productive meeting. Oh, I see my favorites. Hey, Sugar Booger. What you doing, girl? Hey, you guys, it's Editing Trisha here, and just wanted to give you some context in regards to what you are looking at. So we actually decided to go to the Painted Tree, and this was a store I had never even knew existed. It was actually a store full of vendors that have all of their products and things like that. So it's just a store that hosts a bunch of vendors, and it was really cool because there are so many different vendors here to have so many different creative things and just things that they sell in general. That's all under one roof in one location. You don't have to manage the store or anything. The people in the store run it like a store, so I thought it was pretty cool. It was actually my cousin's idea to bring us here, and I'm glad he did because it really opened up my mind to the possibilities of the things that I could have for my business or we can have for our businesses. And I just felt like extremely inspired when I left here because, you know, oftentimes you don't really know what's out there for real. And I know that I have been thinking about, you know, way down in the future about getting into like a brick and mortar maybe. And I feel like this would be a great stepping stone to start here. Maybe get some products in the store and just see what it is with just everyday walking in traffic. This is really, really cool. I really, really appreciated this, and I didn't know stuff like this existed, to be really, really honest. So that is what these clips are. Just a bunch of different booths. People have literally everything in here. They host classes and things. I even seen where somebody has like an ice cream shop in there. And it's so cool because it's all self-service. Like, you don't have to pay like an employee to stand there and manage and sell for you. You don't have to spend your time in there. Literally, the store manages everything. And I thought that was really, really cool. So just giving you guys a quick look of what's in the store. So if any of you are considering maybe getting a brick and mortar and don't necessarily have the funds or not really ready for a brick and mortar, but you have physical products, or even if you do classes, something like the Painted Tree will be a great start. We literally saw so many amazing things. It was just so eye-opening to see all the possibilities and things like that. So I love this place so much. I don't know if I've explained it or what it is, but I have a complete fascination with cups, particularly Starbucks cups. So this was really cool to see all these cups in one spot. And then this last vendor we've seen is socks. Literally every character that you can probably ever think of is on a pair of socks. This was so cool to see. But after we finished up here at the Painted Tree, we just went to Chipotle, grabbed us some food so that we can continue our business meeting. This was a great day. This is the end of the video. I definitely appreciate you for watching. Hopefully I gave you a good idea of what's possible so that you can create something great for yourself. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.